Hello YouTube, what is up fine people? 2005 Corolla XRS 6-speed manual transmission. This is the C60 transmission for the 2005 Corolla XRS and several other cars. I am in the process of changing mine here at 102,000 miles, and I wanted to just offer this video in hopes that it will help somebody. I've actually already changed it, and I'm gonna tell you this is fantastic stuff. The transmission on the Corolla is a bit clunky. It's not bad, but it's not great. It's like probably a 7 out of 10, but the engine is an 11 out of 10. So when you drive this car, the engine is fantastic, but the transmission just isn't quite up to par. So I've done some things. I did a short throw shifter. I did some solid bushings in the base, solid cable bushings, and then I did this fluid. And I just took it for a quick test drive, and I will say the fluid makes a noticeable difference. I've done fluid swaps, transmission fluid swaps on probably 15 cars. You know, I've got all the products here. I've got the German stuff. I've got Royal Purple under there, and you know, sometimes it's placebo, sometimes it's not. There's some friction modified AC delta, but I'm gonna say this stuff really does make a difference. Every shift was smoother, shifting up, shifting down, even the dreaded reverse. So get yourself some MT-90 for your Corolla XRS. However, what is being said on several videos, I looked, YouTube, Toyota Nation, kind of everywhere, is that it's a 2-quart fill, and the reality is it's a 2.4-quart fill. Check your manual. It is 2.4 quarts. And I'll show you where the confusion is coming in, because as I did this job, I've realized there's probably a lot of people that have watched those videos and are driving around with 2 quarts instead of 2.4 quarts in their transmission, which is not good. The only tools you need for this is a 24 for the drain plug and a 17 for the fill plug. Now, what's being said, I watched several videos, and what is being said is that that is the fill plug, and it is not. That is the fill plug next to that ground. So I'll show you the drain plug, and then I'll show you the proper fill plug, and this is how you can get the full 2.4 in your car. And again, there's several other people on YouTube that have put out for this exact car, and they have said the wrong thing. So of course you want to do this on a flat surface. That brighter looking 24 millimeter plug is the correct drain plug, right in the center. And always check and make sure you can get your fill plug off before removing the drain plug, because if it's rusted or it breaks or something, you're in trouble. So that's your drain. You drain it. And then the fill, what's being said, again, I watched several YouTubes of guys that are doing really good stuff to their XRSs. And they're saying that 10 mil hex, it's a 10 mil hex bolt, is the fill, and it's not. That, I think, is a service plug. The correct drain plug for the XRS is this one. It's right there in the center of the camera, and I'm going to demonstrate by putting this 17 on it. That is the correct fill plug. Using that, you will be able to get about 2.4 quarts. If you use this one, and I know this because I did it, you're only going to get 2 quarts in there. So you want to do that one. That's the correct one. It's just a little bit higher, and it will fill the thing the entire way up. So I wanted to offer that just because I did it wrong is what actually happened. And then I realized that the spec is 2.4, and I only got 2 in there. So why is that? So I started hunting, and I realized I had been misled. So hopefully this video will correct some things. And as I said, I won't talk much about it, but I did take it for a quick test drive, and it was noticeably better. I was very, very happy with it. So that's my thoughts on the MT-90. Good stuff. Get 3 bottles of that. Put 2.4 in using the correct plugs, and you'll be good to go. All right, cool. Peace. Thanks for watching. Later.